And we've just had a tornado warning issued.
We told you they might issue this warning a little further to the east, and they have done that. The National Weather Service now including parts of Mason County in this tornado warning. This is the same storm we talked about a few minutes ago that was giving us some Doppler indication of a possible tornado near the Junction area. That storm is moving to the northeast. In fact, let's take advantage here of our storm profiling abilities here and tell you just how fast. East-northeast at 21 miles per hour. The BTI, that's called the Barron Tornado Index, at 4.6. That's on a scale of 10. That's significant, but it certainly could be higher. And we've had no confirmed tornado touchdowns, but we do definitely see circulation in this thunderstorm. This is a rotating supercell thunderstorm, and it could produce a tornado at any time. A Doppler indicating the wind in this storm is rotating at the lowest levels of the thunderstorm. In fact, let me take off those shear markers there and get a good close look at that rotation. It certainly is rotating. You see the bright green next to the bright red there in the eastern Junction, eastern Kimball County area, northeast of the Junction area. That is where, if there is a tornado, it is likely to be right now. Now, the fortunate thing is, let's look at this time lapse here just one more time. And yeah, that storm is still certainly showing some significant signs of rotation. And if there is a tornado, it likely will be, pardon me, in this in this area of the thunderstorm over eastern Kimball County, moving to the northeast into Mason County. Now, as I started to say a moment ago, the fortunate thing is this is a very rural area out here. The only community of any size in this box in the area where the storm is moving is the little community of Streeter, and that is still about 32 minutes away from you folks up there in west of Mason, in western Mason County. It looks like it might even pass a little to the south of you. So you folks in and around Mason, as this storm is moving directly toward you, keep an eye to the south and southwest, as this is a dangerous thunderstorm and could be producing a possible tornado at this time. Let me show you the Viper radar here right now, and as you can see on Viper, that's the only significant thunderstorm in our local area at the present time, and it will continue to track into Mason County. Then eventually, if it holds together, it may get into western Llano or southern San Saba County. So we, of course, will be tracking it for you, but you folks in rural western Mason County, take tornado precautions right now. This is a part of a line that extends up into North Texas, and this isn't even the main line, we don't think. The main area of thunderstorm activity is likely to develop late tonight and then move across the Austin area. But this initial push along this boundary that's coming in from the west could bring some thunderstorm activity into the metro area, though we think this initial line is going to weaken quite a bit as it moves into this tornado watch box. There's the warning for Mason County. There's the warning for Kimball County. This area is a watch in effect for all of our Hill Country area until 10 o'clock tonight. A tornado watch, meaning conditions are favorable. If a tornado warning is issued, that means you take action immediately. How much rainfall are we looking at? Well, this is a flash flood watch looking at, in the flash flood watch area, potential 2 to 5 inches of rain out of the system. It's going to be torrential rain when it comes in later tonight with some isolated 7-inch totals. According to the National Weather Service, we're not seeing quite that much in our computer model. But look at this storm here. This is the water vapor image, a huge area of low pressure out here over the Four Corners area that is only going to be making slow progress to the east. That's why we're seeing this initial wave of showers and thunderstorms. Then we're expecting another big wave, the main wave, to move in late tonight. That's what our computer model indicates here, and there it comes, and there it goes. But because the storm is so slow moving, we could see a couple more rounds of showers, but the main severe weather threat will be tonight. Here's what our computer model says. 1:30 in the morning, a line of strong to severe thunderstorms up and down the Hill Country. Here's 2:30 in the morning, that line into the metro area. Here's 4 o'clock in the morning. The severe storm is moving east of the metro area and into our eastern counties. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning with the rain even coming to an end in the Austin metro, and then some decrease in clouds tomorrow afternoon. Then we may see another return to some showers tomorrow night. But after this main line moves through, we're not thinking severe weather is going to be a big threat after that. Now, here's what our computer model says with rainfall totals. Look at that, 2+ inches just about anywhere, but we could see some isolated totals, again, maybe up to 5, maybe up to 7 inches, according to the Weather Service. Quick look at some temperatures around the area, then we're going to get right onto the forecast pages for you. Those are the current readings. In the forecast for tonight, obviously, rain showers, thunderstorms, and some severe weather going to be a possibility. A low temperature of about 60. Some light lingering showers early in the morning behind the severe storms. And then tomorrow afternoon, a mix of clouds and sun, high maybe 70 to 72. And then on Wednesday, slight chance of some showers returning to the area. And then on Thursday through the weekend, looks like we will dry out and get back up to around 80 degrees. So the main fireworks coming in tonight and first thing in the morning.